At what point do we step in or we let the team figure it out? Well, listen, it depends on the team, it depends on the department, and it depends on the level of experience. For example, for my drafting department and for our Montreal team, I have way more confidence in them because of their level of experience and their years of experience. But when it comes to the Austin team, because they are new and they're just getting used to the rhythm and to troubleshooting and to the process, we feel like it's better if we step in earlier, and with experience they'll be able to take over, and obviously the dream is to have them manage and troubleshoot at every stage.
It goes both ways. It's either they would assume, or somebody would assume, that it's super simple, but it actually isn't. Because just putting a piece of edge bending on a piece of pressed wood, it's simple if you have that machine and the knowledge of how to use it. It is simple, it's true, but it's not simple for everybody. And then they might think that something is really complicated when it's actually simple. I guess it goes both ways.
I mean, we're building just like we did in Montreal, we're building a team, we're building a group of people that like to be around each other and that take pride in their work. That's the most important part. We are building a network of amazing contractors and designers, just like the one we have in Montreal, somebody that we can basically rely on, and somebody who's going to have like a network that's going to have our back, regardless of if things go wrong or right.
But assuming that something is simple in manufacturing, that's wrong. There's nothing simple that's happening in the shop. From the drawings, those are not simple. The pretty drawings, the design plans, those are not simple. Drafting plans, nothing is simple about that. Then when you think about it, what are you actually doing? You're putting drafting plans, that's just drawings or 3D images, into reality. Well, nothing is simple there. We developed ways and systems of transforming that into reality. But is there anything simple? No. Is it simple for us? Damn straight it is.